Lalela-ke, this is Member the Original Newsroom. Stay informed, stay ahead. Ikuphathele eshisayo indaba namhlanje.
Ya sanibona, njengoba sazi-ke ukuthi inhlangano yomkhonto wesizwe yehlelo umshophi kule mpelasonto kanye nemindeni yababandakanyekayo. Cha, umkhonto uke wathatha-ke i-initiative, ubuholi kahle kahle bathatha i-initiative ukuthi abahambe beyovakashela imindeni yalama-comrade lawa ashiyile, ukuyohambisa amazwi enduduzo bese beyoqinisekisa imindeni ukuthi impela lonke uhlelo lokufihlwa kwawo lama-comrade lawa, umkhonto uzoyidlala indima ukulekelela imindeni mase kufihlwa-ke.
Mkhonto, viva!
Viva!
Viva Mkhonto, viva!
Viva!
No, thank you very much, comrade leadership. We came here so that we go and give comfort to families of our members that we lost yesterday. We were in Johannesburg, and when the news came, we then decided that we must come back so that we can visit the families. So let us go to visit the families, and then we then talk as to how do we move forward. We've got information already that government has taken a decision to want to get involved in the processes towards the funerals. So even when government gets involved, Mkhonto wesizwe must still play a central political role. So they must not try to smuggle themselves and want to do their own things at the expense of our organization.
Yes.
So let us go to visit all the families. We must be in charge of all the processes of what is going to happen and who is going to speak and how is the program going to unfold. If they give logistical and financial support, we will accept that. But we must take charge in any way. We are supposed to be government here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So they are acting on our behalf. We're going to tell them as to what is going to happen. So in a disciplined way, let us go to all the families, and then we will sit with the leadership later to then decide what is going to happen every day until the last day of the burials. We'll decide when is the memorial service, and then when will be the funeral, and what is going to happen on the actual day of the funeral. So let us now proceed to the families. They say we're going to start in the far off area, and then we're going to come back here to Wembezi so that we're able to do everything else. Amandla!
Awethu!
Viva Mkhonto!
Injalo-ke indaba abayinkanza kwethu, njengoba nani nizwele laphana uFloyd eyichaza indaba nangendlela iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe elifisa ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngayo mayelana nendaba yawo lama-comrade lawa aye asehamba emhlabeni. Ya, so siyawabona-ke lana-ke ama-comrade la ehambela imindeni yavela kukhanyiswa namakhandlela impela umkhonto uyawusebenzela umphakathi and uyabathanda abantu bawo. So sicela ukuthi bafethu niqhubeke-ke nisi-support-e la kwi-channel, nisubscribe, like and share ukuze sokwazi ukuthi sikhule nathi siqhubeke sinilethele iy'ndaba ey'sematheni ney'nohlonze. Siyabonga.